How to find clear space settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find clear space settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down. Here you will find clear space, and as you see here you can manage your space on Facebook Lite. You can clear it if you want just by select here anything you want and clear and click clear. And that's how to find it on Facebook Lite, and it's easy of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.